Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add competitors to a project within our SEO tools. Now Raptor offers a range of features, and one of these is the ability to add competitors to a project. You will have to have already added a project to your account, which you typically do as part of the getting started and sign up process. We also provide videos on how to add projects to our web crawler, so check those out if you're unsure on what to do. When you log into Raptor, you'll see the project's home screen, and from here you can click a specific project to go into that project. This is the easiest way to add a competitor. From within this screen you'll see that you've got main sites at the top and competitors at the bottom, and these are separated into two tables. Now you can click the add site button under competitors, and this will allow you to add a competitor site. So if we do this here, we can see that we've got a blue button that says add site. We simply click the button here, give that a name, specify the URL that you want the competitor to be, click save settings, and then you'll see that that competitor appears under competitors within this project. Now that's the first way to add a competitor to a project. There's no limit on the amount of competitors that you could add to a project. You're only metered on the amount of URLs that you use. If we go back to the project screen here, you'll also see that there's a settings button. If we click that and go to the competitors tab, you'll see the same options here again, where you can click add a site, and that will enable you to add another competitor to the list of competitors within any particular project, or you can delete a competitor by clicking the delete button. The reason why we allow you to add competitors to a project is so that you can crawl those competitors in case you want to spy on their keywords. Maybe you want to track them over time, maybe you want to analyze their sites or their content, but it also enables you to use our competitor analysis feature, which requires you to have added competitors to a project in order for you to do that. So that's how to add a competitor to our SEO tools package. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching.